Hi, sir.
Hi,
You are from
I from China. Yeah.
Chennai. You are here in Punjab in historical places. Did you visit all the historical places?
I went to another place, but I like this summer ground. Yeah, yes, it's a very like place. Yeah, I like Pakistan. I also like Pakistani people. Yeah, Pakistani people is so friendly. Yeah. Okay.
It's Badshahi Mosque.
Abbasi Mosque. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
And you know its history.
I don't know actually. Yeah.
Is there historical places in China also?
Yes. Some such as the summer palace of China. Yeah. Also the our capital in Beijing. Yeah. Yeah. I'm working in Pakistan. Yeah. I have stayed here 2 years. As the time go on, I find that Pakistan is very kind friendly to Chinese people. Yeah.
And are you scared here, Pakistan?
I think security is not a big issue. Yeah, sometimes I will go outside. The police will protect us. Yeah, if I say I'm a Chinese people, Pakistani will help us. Yeah.
And you should learn Urdu also.
Yeah, we will try to learn. Yeah,
Yes.
we will try to.
You are
Yeah.
living here since 2 years. You should
Yeah.
learn.
Okay, I will try. I will try. Yeah, Shukriya. Okay.
You know, China is the friend of Pakistan.
Yes.
If they will fight with India,
Yeah.
and China will help Pakistan.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we will support Pakistan. Yeah, Pakistan, China, like a friend. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. I think we don't need a war. We need a peace. Yeah.
First of all, we need peace,
Yeah.
and then if they will, and
If them fight Pakistani, we will fight back. Okay. I wish the Pakistani will become better in the future. Yeah. I wish the Pakistani economic will become greater. Yeah. I think in the future it will be like the China. Yeah. I wish.
this is last question.
Yeah.
You know the China-Pakistan economic corridor.
I think maybe we need more cooperation. Yeah. Some problems will lead to more talk between the two government, and also I need some more support from the government. Yeah. General Punjab economy.
जिन्हें लाहौर नहीं देखा जमिया नहीं
Uh,
जिन्हें लाहौर नहीं तकिया
General Nahar Makami. Okay.
this is
so
about
difficult.
Lahore. You
Oh,
visit
Nahar. Yeah.
and-
China and Pakistan friendship will last forever. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, we can. Word coverage is good. Yes, very good. Okay. So clear.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.